of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Dea Amika Satyan. I am a student from the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education at 11 Maret University, Surakarta. In this video, we are going to learn about the if function in spreadsheet. What is the if function and how does it work? Let's watch and learn together.
Okay, now we are going to learn if function. Next, learning outcomes. At the end of page E, students are able to operate spreadsheet application, process data using formulas, and apply the if logical function to solve problem in accounting context. Okay, next, for the learning objective is, after this lesson, you will be able to 1. Explain the concept and syntax of the if function. 2. Create formula using single if and nested if. 3. Combine if with and or and not function. And 4. Apply if to solve real data problems. Next, so in this lesson we will discuss about 1. Definition of the if function, 2. Syntax of the if function, 3. Types of the if function, and 4. Combined if function. Okay, next, first, definition of if function. The if function is one of the logical functions used to test a condition, and it produces two possible outcomes. True value is if the condition is met, and false value is if the condition is not met. The if function is used when we want the spreadsheet to make a decision automatically based on a certain condition. In other words, if allow the computer to check something first and then decide what value to display. If the condition is true, the if function will show the result we set for true. And if condition is false, the if condition will show the result we set for false. This function is very useful in data processing because it helps use categorize data, determine status, and make decisions without checking manually one by one. Okay, next, syntax of the if function. Same if logical test, value if true, value if false. The description is logical test is the condition to be tested. Value if true is the result shown if the condition is true, and value if false, the result shown if the condition is false. Okay, next, types of if function. 1. Single if. 2. Nested if. Next, 1. Definition of single if. A single if function contains only one logical condition to be tested and produce two possible outcomes. If the condition is true, is outcome 1, and if the condition is false, is outcome 2. A single if function is the simple form of the if function. It is used when we only needs to evaluate one condition. There are only two possible results because the condition can only be either true or false. This type of if function is usually used to check simple decisions, such as determining whether a student pass or fail, whether a number is above a target, or whether a value meets a certain requirement. So, single if is appropriate when the decision only needs one comparison and produce two outcomes. Okay, next. Definition of nested if. A nested if function is a combination of several if functions within a single formula. It is used when we need to test multiple conditions in a hierarchical manner and display more than two outcomes. A nested if allows us to place one if function inside another if function. This is useful when a decision cannot be made by just one condition because there are several possible results. For example, when we want to classify scores into multiple grades A, B, C, D, when if is not enough, so we use several ifs linked together. Each if checks a different level of the condition step by step. That is why nested if is commonly used for multi-level categorization, ranking, labeling, or scoring system where more than two outcomes are required. Okay, next. Combination if function. Combination if function for one is n. The n function is used to test multiple conditions at the same time, where all conditions must be true for the result to be true. Combination if function for number 2 is OR. The OR function is used to test multiple conditions, where at least of conditions must be true for the result to be true. And the last one, combination if function is NOT. The NOT function is used to reserve a logical result, changing true to false and vice versa. When the if function is combination with AND or NOT, the formula becomes more flexible and powerful. 1. If combination AND is used when all conditions must be true at the same time. This is useful when we want striker decision making. For example, a student must pass both theory and practical tests. 2. If combination OR is used when at the least one of the conditions must be true. This is useful when we requirement is enough to achieve a result. For example, if theory score or practical score is high, the student still pass. And the last one is if combination NOT. If combination NOT is used to reverse a condition. If a condition is true, NOT makes it false and vice versa. This is useful when we want to check something indirectly. For example, not less than 70 is the same as 70 or higher. By combining if with AND or AND NOT, we can create more complex logic and make more accurate and detailed decisions in spreadsheet. Okay, Leslie, thank you. Okay, after understanding the if function material, next we will learn to do practice question. below are instructions for the problem. For number 1 is fill in the graduation status column using single if with the following rules is if score is 70 or higher is pass. If score below 70 is fail. Number 2, fill in the performance category column using nested if with the following rules is if score is 90 or higher is very good. If score is 80 or higher is good. If score is 70 or higher is fair, and if score below 70 is needs improvement. Number 3, fill in the sales bonus column using if combined with and with the following rules. The following rules is if sales is 12 million or higher and attendance is 90% or higher will get bonus, and if condition is are not met will no bonus. 4, fill in the retraining column using if combination with or with the following rules is if score is 80 or higher or attendance is 90 or higher percent is no retraining, and if conditions are not met is must retrain. And the last one is number 5, fill in the tip status column using if combination with not with the following rules is if payment status same paid is not paid, and if payment status same not paid is paid. Let's do practice question. Okay, for column graduation status we will use single if. Okay, for column performance category we will use nested if. Okay, for column sales bonus we will use if combination with and. For column retraining we will use if combination with or. For the last column is tip status, and we will use if combination with not. Okay, here are the result.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation helped you understand how to use the if function in spreadsheet. Keep practicing the formulas, explore different examples, and apply them in real data situation. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.